Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach on how to log into Shopify admin dashboard. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two methods to do this. So the first one is to just go ahead and open your browser and search for shopify.com. Okay. Now what you need to do is to just go ahead and log in your account by clicking the login button right here. Or if you want to start a free trial, just go ahead and click on this start free trial button. So once you're here, what you need to do is to choose your store, or if you don't have these choices, just go ahead and type your store right here. So you should see a text box. After that, you need to enter your email. Okay. Once you've done that, you should be automatically redirect on the admin dashboard. Okay, so let's just go ahead and wait for here. So as you can see, this is the Shopify admin dashboard. Okay, so now for the second method, so let me just go ahead and exit this one. So as you can see, this is my store. Okay, so this is just a sample store. So just go ahead and search for your store on your browser. After that, you need to type the forward slash and type admin. Okay, as you can see, I am right now here on Shopify admin dashboard. Okay, and that is how you log into Shopify admin dashboard using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.